Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for you. Today is my chance to show you my 6-month progress on my Project Live album. I normally do a combination of Project Live layouts and 12 by 12 photos and this is an album where I kind of work chronologically. First, I have this pocket with some of the Pocket Life cards, mainly from the Hip Kit Club kits, the Pocket Life kits. And then here it is. This is a photo that is from 2015. But it is here in this album mainly because I worked on it this year. Same with these two layouts. One was the very first one with the Bloom Street collection. The other one was for Hip Kit Club for the blog, which I also have a process video, and I'll make sure that I link that in the comments below. And those are from 2015. But what happens is these are I worked on them this year, and this is my style as of this year. So that's what I like to keep them here. So 2020 started really fun. We had our family trip. We went to Paige's house to pack her Bloom Street kits when they first came out. Most exciting day of my life. Then the Hip Kit Club design team call and announcement came out on March 1st that needed to be in the album for sure. And then COVID-19 happened. This is where everything changed and all the ideas that I had for the album completely changed. But here we go, just recording what happened, staying at home. Then this is a spread, free printable from two different Spanish brands. One is Coco Loco and one is Lora Bailora. And then on the back is one of Jane Hatfield collections, one of the pattern papers from one of her collections. Then I have two 12 by 12 layouts. So the first one is one of Paige Evans' cut files. The second layout is one of the exclusive cut files from Hip Kit Club. Then the next spread also has some of the Lora Bailora and Coco Loco free printable cards. All the details for this spread are on the Hip Kit Club blog. I will also have a link below if you want to see all the close-up pictures for and how this spread came together. This is my Mother's Day spread. Very simple, just a page with Project Life cards and then pictures. And then on the other side I have a 12 by 12 photo of the kits. Then on the next side I have also from Mother's Day, this is a layout with scrap lifting one of Paige's layouts. Then I have another interactive element with just details and fun details of how life at work it's been during these times. This is a page that I have not completed with a 12 by 12. I couldn't choose between the two 12 by 12 pictures that I had, so I incorporated both of them along with a layout that is also for Hip Kit Club. Then again, another 12 by 12 photo with just a cluster on the top. And here we go. This last one is one of the newest cut files from Paige Evans that I'm planning on work on. So here it is. As you can see, I'm starting to add more 12 by 12 photos, so it brings a good mix to the whole project. And again, please let me know if you have any questions. Here are some close-ups of some of the spreads, and these are as I said in the beginning, the first 6 months of my year, I will keep you guys updated on how the new pages come together. And make sure all your questions go in the comments below. I will answer all of them. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.